Ciao, buongiorno, buongiorno, or buonasera. You've chosen a Prosecco Extra Dry from Masottina winery called Calmaggiore. That is a perfect wine to go with, of course, antipasti, but also some pasta with veggies. And not only. And we're on. Here it is, Prosecco Extra Dry. So in this case, we're gonna have some more sugar residual. This wine should be good if the cork comes out, and it's not coming out. There we go. So Calmaggiore, from every Roman city, has got like two major roads, and that's Treviso is a beautiful spot in the planet. Gotta go check it out. In this case, Calmaggiore is the major road of the city, and it's dedicated to the city where Prosecco was invented. Now, what do we have here? Of course, Glera, apricot, melon, the white one, the honeydew melon. Some grapefruit, a little bit, a touch of peppermint. Palate, like most Masottina wines, to be honest, despite the sugar presence, they taste dry, which is a good thing. They taste really clean. So this is good with some pasta with the veggies, for instance, broccolis and anchovies would be fantastico. All the aperitivi work well with this kind of wine. And something simple, even fish. Clearly, like Prosecco was made to be in love with any seafood dish. So you decide what you're gonna cook tonight or tomorrow.